Yeah, no, I want to see all everything.
Oh, this side.
Yes.
Try not to go too near it because we smashed that side up years ago when I was younger, like, you know. On me shoulder, like I smashed up when I was younger, like, you know.
Yeah, I can see that. I can feel it. I can feel it.
Yeah.
There's more fold. Oh. Let me see how bad it is now. That's it, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, this way? No. Little stay. Okay, that's the pain, yeah?
Yeah. Plus pins and needles all the time.
Pins and needles, okay. And you have another physios. Oh, that's a long time.
Yeah.
How old are you? 30 now?
40.
No way. Oh, that's a long time, 25 years now.
Yeah.
Whoa, let me see this one here. Okay, it's not bad. That's good. That's the bad arm. Okay. Oh, I'm gonna do some to feel more better. Hold there. I'm gonna just resist. I'm gonna push it down. Resist.
Go.
Resist. That's the hard.
Yeah.
This one. Resist.
Yeah, go.
That's it. Yeah. This is the new one. Yeah. Push it. I think. That's it. Yeah, I can. The problem.
Yeah, the muscle's gone. It's down here somewhere.
If I put my hand, I can see it. Yeah. But you didn't work hard. Just to do. You can build that, you know.
Yeah. Oh, I know. I was trying to do it. Like,
you can build.
Just go before I put the
on. You can build. You can build. Relax.
Yeah, that's right there. It's okay.
Yeah, I know. You relax. Everything is relaxed. Yeah. Yeah. Nice. I know when you're tight, you know. Very nice. It's okay. You know? Perfect. We do everything the right way. Yeah.
That's right.
Nothing, it's just gas release.
Yeah, I know. I'm looking up.
Are you? You see the yeah? You see mine?
I haven't seen you, no.
Yeah, you know, the TikTok channel there. And it's all the same. Perfect. Okay. That's the way you are. So you have to sleep with me. Ooh, nice one. This way. Relax. Perfect. Hey, you feel different. Okay. Can I have this one?
Yeah.
Just hold it there. I'm not going hard, it's easy. No, this one? This one sits over there. No, it's okay. Now let me see the difference.
Yeah.
More.
Yeah, more. A lot more went up here.
More. See?
Yeah. A lot more.
When we was here.
Yeah, that's the couldn't pull up. Yeah.
That's it. I will do more. You're gonna feel more better flexible. Yeah. See, that's it. That's why I like it, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can do quick if you want. It's no problem.
Yeah.
That was good.
Yeah.
Do more now. Look how go. One more back.
Yeah.
You know, all because all nerve traps. Nerves are trapped and then don't let you make the movement.
Move any forward already.
Yeah, that's the reason you have the lower back pain.
Oh yeah.
All everything. Don't worry.
All of you.
yeah. Don't face.
Yeah. Lay down there.
Lay down.
Back it.
Yeah.
This.
Yeah, back. Yeah, perfect. Yeah, don't worry. Pain, yeah?
Yep.
Whoa. Let me record the second part.